defects of eye, defects of eye, defects of human eye. So here, so we have the three type of defects. So number one is myopia. Myopia. So second one is hypermetropia. Hypermetropia. Third one is presbyopia. Presbyopia. So this is we have the defects. So we have the defects. So this is three defects. So we have myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia. So first, I'm going to explain myopia. So myopia. So letter is young letter. This is a myopia. So here, generally, so I had the myopia. So what is the meaning of myopia? This is a defect. I'm going to explain. For example, suppose for example I'm removing the mustard. Suppose for example I'm seeing to the long distance. I'm seeing to the long distance, but I am not seeing to the long distance. I'm not seeing to the long distance, but I'm seeing to the near object. I'm able to see the near object very clear, but I'm not able to see the long distance. This is I had the problem. I had the problem. So what I had the problem? Myopia. Myopia. So suppose for example we are taking the healthy person. Healthy person is able to see the long object as well as is seeing to the near object very clear. So when we consider healthy person, the healthy person is able to see the long distance as well as is able to see the near object in the person. But I had the problem. So what I have the problem? I am not seeing the long object, but I'm seeing to the near object. I have the problem. So what is the problem? Myopia. So how can we correct this myopia? I'm going to explain that myopia. You see that healthy person and so the problem person. Healthy person. So you see the suppose for example. So this is eye. This is eye. This is eye. So we are checking eye. This is eye. This is a eye. So this is the lens. This is a lens. This is a crystalline lens. This is a crystalline lens. So this is a principal axis. We are checking. Okay, we are checking. This is M point. This is L point. So what is the meaning of L? Means LDDV. Least distance, distinct vision. Least distance of distinct vision. That is the least point. So this is a M point. Means this is a far point. This is a far point. This is a far point. This is a least distance of distinct vision. This is a vision. This is we call principal axis. So principal axis. This is retina. You know, retina. Already I explained to you this. Here, so when we are getting this problem, this is a least distance. This is a far point. So when we are telling this is a far point, I can form image on the retina. I form an image on retina. This is a point. This is a maximum point at which I can form image on the retina. It's called as focal point. So what is the meaning of the focal point? The maximum point of at which I can form image on the retina is called as focal point. LDDV means least distance of distinct vision. This is distance is from eye to this point is 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. So this is for a healthy person. For a suppose for example, I'm going to explain first problem person. Problem person. This is the problem person. So what will happen? Suppose for example, for this eye, this is a line. This is a line. This is a line. This is a line. So lens. This is a lens. Now, okay. So here, for example, right. This is right. This is a point. Suppose, for example, any person, problem person. Suppose, for example, object is at infinity. So rays are coming from infinity. This is a rays. This is a light rays coming from infinity. This light rays coming from infinity falls on lens and it is convergent and refractory. This is a refractory meet at this point. Image form here. This is image. This is a object. This is a object. This is image. This is a refractory 1, refractory 2, refractory 3. Three refractory meet at this point. Meet at this point. Image formed by the image is formed at this point. So object is placed at infinity. Object is placed at infinity. So this is this person had this set. Actually, this is a image formed on the retina. Image forms on the retina, but image is formed behind the retina. Behind the retina. This is this I add a problem. Add a problem. What is that problem means? Myopia. Myopia. So next, with another example. Another example. This is a least distance of distance vision. This is a 4 point. It is denoted by the M letter. It is a 4 point. Least distance. So this is the object is placed on print plate. This object passes one way, but here it is convergent in this direction. Next, this object passes one more ray. It falls on convex lens. It is converging at this point. Both are meet at this point. Rays meet at the point. So here, object is at this place. Image is formed behind the retina. Behind the retina. This is the retina. So image is formed behind the retina. So here also image is formed behind the retina. Behind the this I add also at a problem. But healthy person, the person without defect. Without defect means healthy person. I'm explaining healthy person. So this is healthy person. This is a retina. This is a M point. This is a N. Suppose object is placing on 4 point. So this is a ray falls on here. This ray strikes on here. It is the converging at this point. So image form on the retina. Image form on the retina. This is object. This is the object. This is a healthy person. This person had this person this person doesn't have the defect. Doesn't have the defect. This is a person is healthy person. This person has a problem. This person has a problem. What the problem is? That is the myopia. Myopia. So myopia problem. So next, one more example. Fine. More example. So now this is principal axis, principal axis. This is a M point. This is a L point. L point. So object is placing here, and it passes the ray straight here. It is converging at this point. This is a ray passing. It strikes here. It is converging at this point. All rays are meet at this point. Meet at this point. Image form on the retina. Image form on retina. Image form here. This is a object. Object is at that place. So here you see clearly. This is a figure A. This is a figure B. This is a figure C. This is a figure D. You see clearly figure A, figure B, figure C, figure D. Just you watch the figure. So first figure. So first of all, this is a structure of eye. This is the lens. This is a retina. Retina. This is object. Object is placing at infinity. Object is placed at infinity. Image form behind the retina. Behind the retina. You see the behind the retina. Behind the retina. This is image is formed here. This is object. This is a position of object. This is a figure A had a problem. The problem is myopia. In the second figure, you see that this is object. This is a image form here. Image form here. Object is placed here. Here object is placed at infinity. Image form behind the retina. So object is behind the O. Image is formed behind the retina. So object is on the object is placed on object is placing on far point and image form on the retina. And object is placed between M and N. Object is placing between near point and near point and far point. This is a near point. This is a far point. Object is placing between far point and near point. Image form on the retina. Image form on the retina. This is you see that so figure A, figure B had a problem. Figure C, figure D, healthy person. Healthy person. So this is a healthy person. This is a healthy person. But problem is, where is the problem? Problem is here. Here to here. So what is the problem? The problem is, what's the problem? The problem we are calling. What we are calling? So this is a person. This is a person. Actually, our maximum focal length is 2.5 centimeters. The minimum focal length is 2.27 centimeters. This is we have the focal length. We have the focal length. This is the focal length. But you see that, but this type of person, this person have the problem is less than maximum focal length less than 2. This part. Now this person, people's maximum focal length is less than 2, 2.5 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters, less than 2. So this is this person's people's maximum focal length is less than 2.5 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters. 2.5 centimeters. 2.5 centimeters. This type of peoples, the people's maximum focal length is less than 2.5 centimeters. Centimeters. This is elderly person. This is also elderly person. We don't want to explain this one. So we want to focus on figure A, figure A, figure B. Now you will see. So what will happen? So the problem is elderly person. This elderly person. This is a person I'm going to explain. Elderly person. These persons are seeing to the near object clearly, as well as these persons are clearly seeing to the long distance objects also very clearly. There is no problem. This is elderly person. But problem is this person can see the near object. This person cannot see the long object. Long object. And here, so what is the problem? Problem is, this is the problem. It can see the near object. It cannot see the long object. Long object. But how can we rectify this problem? How can we rectify this problem? We can rectify this problem is we are using the lens. We are using the lens. Suppose I'm taking the lens is suppose I'm taking the lens. What type of lens I'm taking? I'm taking the lens is convex lens. This is a concave lens. This is a concave lens. Concave lens I'm using. Okay, what we are going to do? So we have to rectify the myopia. So we have to rectify the myopia means by using the concave lens. Concave lens. This concave lens is placing. This is concave lens. So this is concave lens. I'm placing here concave. So concave lens is placing here. I'm rectifying the point. This is a concave lens. I'm keeping the concave lens. So what is the use of this concave lens? What is the use of this one? For example, this is object. This is object. This is a image. Image is from here now. Okay, now you see that one. Now I'm going to explain. I'm cutting the. Suppose this is a ray is coming from infinity. This is a ray coming from infinity. This is a ray coming from infinity. These three rays are coming from infinity, and the strike on these rays are strike the concave mirror. So what will happen? It is divergent. It is divergent this direction. This is a divergent this direction. So this concave lens having the less power. It is a divergent power. This can extend and meet at this point. Meet at this point. Now. So how can I rectify the problem? What is the problem? Suppose, for example, the object is various object. Suppose, how can we correct the problem? I'm going to explain. How can we correct the problem? Now, so object is at infinity. Object is at infinity. The image is not formed on the retina. Object is behind the point. Image is not formed on the retina. Image is not formed on the retina. For example, object is placing on M. Image formed on the retina. There is no problem. So object is placing between M and R. There is no problem. Object placed on M means no problem. Object should place on M. There is no problem. Object is placing between M and L. There is no problem. But this is object is where is object? This is the plot point. Object is placing behind the M point. We have the plot. So object is placing behind the M. We have the problem. Suppose this is object. Object is placed on M. No problem. This object is placing between M and L. This object is placed on M means there is no problem. The eye can see the image. This object is placing between M and LC means image form on the retina. That is we are going to. But this object should place on M means there is no problem. This object is placing between M and L. There is no problem. But how does this object move from? How does this object is move from infinity to m point? How does it? How does that object move from infinity to m point? How does it move? It is not known. Practically, suppose for example, I'm standing here. Uh, I'm standing here. One object is placing 100 meters, 1 kilometer. Suppose for example, mm, I'm standing here. I'm standing here. I'm seeing to the another campus building. I'm standing outside of the building. I'm seeing to the second campus. Second campus is away from me. I'm seeing to the second campus clearly. Second campus is clearly. Suppose that the only person is seeing to the second campus, but I have the problem. I'm not seeing to the second campus. For example, I cannot see the second campus. I cannot see the second campus. Why means I have the problem. Suppose if any person push the second campus towards to me, it's possible. It's not possible. In case possible means if any person puts the second campus near to me means I'm able to see the second campus. I'm able to the second campus. Suppose the second campus is not moving towards to me, but I can't see the image of the second campus. But how does it move from? How does it move from infinity to m point, or that object should be placed on m, either లేదా that object should be placed between m l, if possible means I'm able to see. But we cannot bring the campus from uh, far distance to near distance. It's not possible. So any person cannot see the building from one place to another place. It's not possible. But so we bring the image of that. We can bring that image of the building. Image of the building is possible. So we bring the image of the object from infinity to m point. We are able to see. Otherwise, so we bring image of object is placed between m and l. We are able to see that object. We are able to see that image. We are able to image. But which person brings that image of object means by using the by using the lens. By using the lens. So we are using the lens. So I'm using the lens. This is the lens. What type of lens I'm using? This is a what type of lens? This is a double concave lens. This is a double concave lens. This is a concave lens. Where is the concave lens? We are using. This is a concave lens. So I'm using now. So what will happen in this situation? This is a lens. This lens should bring image of this one. This lens brings object image of this object should place on m, or this image of object should be placed between m and n. It's probably clear. Probably clear. So what is the use of this one means? What is the use? You see that one. You see that one. I'm going to be correcting. Object is placing infinity. Object is placing infinity. Infinity means rays. This is a rays or parallel rays are coming from infinity. Parallel rays are coming from infinity. These parallel rays are strikes the concave lens. Concave lens. What will happen? It is divergent. It is goes side. This middle ray goes side. This ray only divergent. This can extend backward direction and meet at m point. Meet at m point. Meet at m point. This is object. This is a object. This object. This is object. This is a lens. This is a lens. Concave lens. This is an object. So there is image form. This is the image form here. This is a image. This is the image of this object. This is a concave lens. This is object for concave lens. This is the image for concave lens. Concave lens. Next, this is a image act as object. This is object for this lens. This is the object for convex lens. So where is the image for this object? These rays are traveling this direction, traveling this direction, and traveling this direction, and this is a traveling this direction. Okay, okay. I'm explaining it. This is the line. Now it is strike at this point. So convex lens is a convergent ray. Convergent ray. This is a ray converging like this, and image form on the retina. This is the image. This is the image. This is the correction. This is the correction. Okay now. This is object. This is object. Okay now. You see clearly. Once again, I'm going to explain. This is object. So this object is placing infinity. This object is placing at infinity. This is a parallel rays. Parallel rays are coming from infinity. These parallel rays are coming from infinity and strike the convex concave lens. Concave lens. This is a divergent. This is a divergent ray. Extend backward direction. The lens meet at M point. So this is object. This object. This is the image. Image is formed here. This is the concave lens. This is the object for concave lens. This is the image for concave lens. Concave lens. This is the image. This is image. This image acts as object. Object. This is a object for which lens? For concave lens. Convex lens. Convex lens. This is object. This is a image. This is a image. But this is a concave lens. Concave lens. But this is object. This is a image. This is a image. That is a image. This is a correcting method. This is a correcting. So now, we are calculating the lens focal length. So now this is also we are going to correcting, and you see that. So we can use this is what type of this one concave lens. Now you see what happened here. This is object. This is object. Relation here. So this is a ray traveling in direction, and it's a ray. This is a ray travel. This is a ray. This is a light ray travel in this direction, and second this point. It is a divergent. It is a divergent. Divergent ray. This is a refracted ray. Is refracted ray divergent this direction, and extend refracted ray extend in dotted line. The dotted line means. So this is a ray also traveling this direction, and strike at this point. It is the divergent. Divergent ray. This is the extend divergent ray in dotted line meet at this point. Image form here. Image form here. Image form. So what is the condition? This object. This is object for this concave lens. This is image for this concave lens. But where is the image? Image of the object should be placed on M, or image of object should be placed between M and condition is verified. And this is the divergent ray. Extend this direction, and lens sizing and increasing. Lens size increase, and this is a lens. Now this is a ray, and it is convergent. So this is the light ray strikes convex lens. It is converging. This is the converging at this point. Now to rays meet at this point. This is the short ray meet at this point. Meet at this point. Meet at this point. This is the this is the corrector ray. This is also corrector using the lens. Whatever lens concave lens. So this is a concave. Problem is rectified. In this situation, image of object. Image of object should placed on M or uh, between m and m comma n. So image of objects should be placed on m or between m and m object. Image of object should be placed on m or between m and l. It's a problem. It's clear. This is the correct right. You are seeing. So this is a person wearing the spectacles. He is seeing to the objects very clearly. This is a seeing to the objects very clearly. This is a we are correcting problems. We are correcting problems. This is a we are correcting problems. Now, so you will see next calculating. How can we calculate this one? You see that one. So object is at this place. Object is equal to u is equal to. So this is the incident ray. This is the incident ray number one. From this is the object from here to here. So this is the u. So this is the equation number one and two. One means incident ray. Two means object distance. Direction of incident ray. This is the direction of object. Both are in opposite direction means minus. That is the minus. So we are checking u is equal to minus. Object is placing at infinity. So where is the image form? From here series image. From here series. So this is I'm taking the D. This is a one and two. One and two. One means incident ray. Direction of incident ray. Direction of distance. So V is equal to minus. Both are in the opposite direction. Next, F is equal to focal length is equal to 1 by B minus 1 by U. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by B means, so what is the B? Minus the D. So minus of 1 by U means minus infinity. This is a 1 by minus D, minus 2 minus plus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is equal to 0 value. This is a minus 1 by D plus 0. This is a 0 value. This is a 1 by F. 1 by F is equal to, this is a 1 by minus 1 by D. This is the F by 1 is equal to, this is a minus D. This is in centimeters. In this minus indicates, what is a minus indicates? That is a concave lens. Concave lens. That minus indicates. That is the next hypermetropia. Say in hypermetropia, you think hypermetropia. Hypermetropia. So what is the hypermetropia? Hypermetropia. 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 So this is hypermetropia. Problem is, what is the problem in opposite? This is motoring. This is a nearsightedness, far-sighted. So myopia, what is the meaning of the myopia? So the person can see the near object, the person cannot see the long object, because that is a myopia. That's a myopia. This is a nearsightedness. Nearsightedness is called as myopia. Next, hypermetropia. This is a farsight. Farsight. The person can see the long object very clearly, but the person cannot see the near object. The person cannot see the near object. The person has the problem is hypermetropia. The person has the problem is hypermetropia. So what is the problems we have? What is the problems we have seen? So problems we are seeing. Yes. It's like this. This is a hedge point. This is a near point. This is a least distance of vision. Near point. This. The problem is, what is the problem? So we cannot see the near. Okay. Suppose, for example, at this point, so this point. So this is the point. This is edge. Object is placing here. So this is a rays. This is a light ray. Strike at this point. This is instant ray, and this is a convex lens. It is this is a what they call and converting refractor rays at this point. And one more ray is passes along the principal axis. It goes side at mid at this point. Mid at image form here. Image form here. So object is at this place. Image is formed here. Object is placing between H and L. Image formed beyond retina. This is a retina. This is a problem. This is a one problem. So this is this person has the problem. What is the problem means? That is hypermetropia. You see the one. Okay. So this is the H point. This is the L point. H point, L point. So object is placing here. H. The rays strike at this point. And it is converging. The rays are converging at this point on the retina. Image form on the retina. Object is at this place. So this is a LD person. So one more LD person is What is the LD person? One more LD person. You see that? So this is the length. LD person. So LD person. So this is H point. This is L point. So this is H and L point. So this is the object is at placing here. So object is placing behind the edge. The rays traveling this direction. strike. This is a rays of strike here. It is what happened? It is converging at this point. This ray also goes straight and strike here. This ray also converging at this point. Image form here. Image form here. This is object and image form on here. Okay. So you are seeing clearly. You are seeing. So this is figure A, figure B. Figure A, figure B. So figure A, so figure B. This is a figure A. This is a figure B. This is a figure C. Figure C. But you are seeing. So you are seeing the three figures. Just you watch the three figures. But so this is a early person. Early person. Object is placing on edge. Image form on the retina. Early person. This is early person. No problem. So object is placing behind edge. Image form on the retina. There is no problem. But here, object is placing between H and L. Image form behind the retina. Behind the retina. This is the problem. This is the problem. But how can so we rectify this problem? So how can we rectify this problem? So we can rectify this problem by using. So we can rectify this problem by using lens. What type of lens? Convex lens. Convex lens. So convex lens. But what is the condition? We are using convex lens. What is the use? You see this one. Problem is object is between H and L. This is object. This object image of this object should be placed on edge, or this image of this object should be placed behind the edge. The problem is rectified. The problem is rectified. The problem is rectified. But how can we rectify this problem? By using our condition. This is object. The lens brings the lens cannot bring the object. The lens cannot bring the object. Our condition is this object is placing on here means problem is correct. But this object does not move from this place to here. But lens brings image of this object. Image of this object will be placed on head. Problem is otherwise, the lens brings image of this object is placing behind the head. Behind the edge, and the lens will bring image of this object is placing of edge also. Problem is rectified. So condition number one, this is object. This object is placing on edge means problem is rectified. But every time the object does not move from this place to here, that is impossible. For example, another way, so this object is placing on edge means problem is rectified. So we cannot bring object from here to here. That is possible. It is not possible. But one condition: the sphere brings the image of this object is placing on edge means problem is rectified. This image of object will be placed on edge means problem is rectified. Okay, another way. This image of object is placing image of object will be placed behind the edge. Problem is correct. But so, who will bring the image of this object? By using context. By using context. Who will bring the image of object from? So who will bring the image of object by using convex lens? This convex lens brings the image of object from one position to some other position. It will be fixed. We are rectifying the problem. We are rectifying that problem. That is okay. We will see. How does it move? You see that one clearly. We are using convex lens. Convex lens. What is a convex lens? You see this is I'm taking convex. Convex lens is placing placing. This convex lens is placed. This convex lens is placed very near to the eye. Very near to the eye. So you see here what will happen. This is object. This is the object. Now rays are traveling this direction. This is the rays are traveling this direction. Strikes at this point. You know very well. Object is very near to the convex lens, means image form. Where is the image form? Image form is on the head. On the head. So when near to the head. On the head. So this is a lens. So where is object? This is a object. So where is the image for this one? Image is for this one. Image. This is object. This plus object. This is the image. This is a convex lens. This is object for convex lens. This is an image for convex lens. Convex lens. This is image act as object for eye convex. Eye convex. Eye convex. So this is image. This is image. This is act as object for the eye convex. Eye convex. Eye convex. What happened? This is a image. This is a object. This is a rays first here. It is a convergent. It is a rays are convergent. This rays are convergent. This is a rays or it is a convergent in this direction. Again, it is a convergent. This is a rays or meeting at this point. At this point. This is correct. Correct. So this is a correction method. So this is a figure B figure C. There is no problem at all. And this is a healthy person. There are healthy persons. They cannot yes, sir. So where we have a problem. So we have to rectify that problem by using the convex lens. So what is the convex lens? We are using focal length formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by f is equal to 1 by u. F means focal length. V means object distance. U means V means image distance. U means object distance. Object distance. Now f is equal to. So V is equal to what is the V? So V is equal to what is the V? What is the U? U is equal to. U is equal to what we are checking? U. U is equal to. So U is equal to object is placing very near to the object is placing. So this is L. Object is placing L. Object is placing very near. That is a minus 25 centimeter. So V is equal to minus. We are checking that is a minus D. We don't know. So from here to here, object is placing very near. From here to here is U is equal to 25 centimeters. Object is from here to here is 25 centimeters. Image is what is the image from here to here is from here to here is you're checking. Object is placing on L. U is equal to 25 centimeters. V is equal to this is a V and image form here. That is minus these two values put in this equation. Put in this 1 by f is equal to 1 by v means minus 3 minus of 1 by u means minus 25 centimeters. So 1 by f is equal to minus common minus 1 by t minus plus 1 by 25. So this is 1 by f is equal to This is a D25. 25. So DD cancels minus 25 plus 25 cancels D. So this is a yoke. So this is a yoke. So yoke by 1 is equal just interchange. Interchange D25 by D minus 25. D minus 25. Okay. This is a one. There is a value. So finally D greater than 25 centimeters. D25 finally zero. So F is to become here. This is the F value is we are getting F is positive value. That is so we are taking positive value. So this is positive means convex line. Convex line. Convex line. Convex. This is a correcting method. Okay. So this is a defect. Second defect of press behavior. Pressure behavior. Actually, practically, so we are thinking of practically. Suppose, for example, actually, this is a shape. This is a convex line. This is a convex. But I'm using this type of thread, this type of line I'm using. But what is the shape of this one? But what is, practically I'm using this is a thread. But this is a theoretically we are studying this is a contour. This is also theoretical. But my spreadsheet shape, what is the shape of my spreadsheet? Your thing. What is the shape of contour lens? But what is the shape of I'm using contour lens? Both are different. Both are different. This is the theoretical purpose we are using this symbol. This is a practical purpose I'm using the this is practically we are seeing and I have a myopia problem. I'm using this spread. Suppose old persons they are using spread surface. So we are seeing to the two spreads. We cannot tell which one is the contour lens, which one is convex lens. We cannot tell. We cannot tell. But how can we decide this spread is contour lens, this spread is the convex lens? How can we tell me? So very simple. So we take the we take the lens in your hand. So you touch the midpoint. You touch the midpoint. So you're getting thin, very thin, very thinly. That is the contour lens. You can touch the edges. You feel that is a thicker, very thicker lens. That is the contour lens. So remaining lens, take in your hand the lens. It is the midpoint, very thicker in midpoint. So you touch the edge point of the lens. You feel very what is that? There is a very thin, very thin. That is the convex lens. We are finding that one factor. So practically, right. So this is we have the defect. This is that is a myopia. That is a hypermetropia. This is the if students they are getting this problem. So the student they have this problem myopia. Hypermetropia means retarded person, aged person. They have the problem is hypermetropia. Suppose in case I have the myopia. Suppose in case in future I'm in the 40, 45, 50 years. Maybe I'm getting hypermetropia. May not getting hypermetropia also. Hypermetropia. Suppose in case I'm 14, 15. I have the problem is myopia, but I'm in 14, 50 age. I will get the hypermetropia means I'm using both type of thread. Upper part is contour, lower part is the convex lens I'm using. The combination is called as phase myopia. That's I will explain next class. The defect I will explain the next class.